Plus Show presents a 4th of July fireworks spectacular.
Hey Luigi, why does today feel special? I don't know, Mario. Is it supposed to be? Maybe, but I don't know. Why do you have a flag?
What do you mean? It's the 4th of July.
Oh, it's the 4th of July. Well, the fireworks are supposed to be happening soon. Should we, turn on the news to find out when they're happening and go?
Yeah.
Do you want to go, Yoshi?
Yeah.
Well, everybody, it seems like the fireworks will be happening soon, but when? So let's go to Barry Lion to find out when they will be happening. Barry, come in.
Hello, today we're going to be seeing some fireworks here at the Elmwood Park High School. It is happening right now, so I'm going to go watch it now.
When the fireworks will be happening, hopefully everybody goes and enjoys. Now I know I'm going to go myself, so bye. Whoa! Whoa!
I hope there's green like Yoshi and Luigi. Oh my god, that was amazing! Mario, get out the way, you're ruining it!
Mario! Whoa, look at the big one!
Woohoo! Awesome! That was cool! Look at all the fireworks!
Whoa, guys, you see this right now?
Yeah, that was cool!
This is gonna be a very bad video, but who cares?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at all the sky noises.
Oh my god, that's so cool! Yo, do you think I could've...
We should get swords.
Where do I buy those?
I don't know, I'm not buying you one.
Oh, what? No, it's so...
Look at all the sky.
Oh my god!
Look at all the spark. Mr. Banana, are you scared?
A little...
Well, what if I told you they could kill you?
What?
Nothing.
Oh no!
Whoa!
You made Mr. Banana run away!
You'll be back. Look at that one.
Oh my god, that's a lot of them!
Wow.
That's so high!
I wonder what Luigi's doing right now.
Mario don't know what I am.
Probably being too scared to actually be here.
Yeah, it's probably like Mr. Banana.
Yeah. Look at all the pretty fireworks. I wonder what I would be like if I was a firework. Would I just go into the air and explode and die? Or would I turn into a fireball? And then have a Mario face? Look at all the pretty fireworks. Great fireworks. It's out of focus. Oh wait, no it isn't. Whoa. What would you guys do if you were a firework? Would you just explode or would you be pretty like this next one? Huh? What would you do? Would you make a small explosion, but a little noise? I don't know. What would you do? Whoa! That one. Look at that one. Look at that one. Whoa. My arm. I wonder what Mr. Banana's doing. Where did it go? Yoshi?
No, that wasn't me. I think that was Luigi.
Oh, I need to make sure Mr. Banana did it. Mr. Banana?
What?
Did you eat it?
No, I didn't. I was hiding under the table.
Nice.
Whatever. We at least got the
You're not even.
Oh, bed. Now that Luigi's in his room, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. Hey, this is Mario speaking. I'm actually really tired right now, so thanks for watching.